Hi, welcome back to English 111 Online. This week we're going to be working on finishing up our Essay 2, which was our comparison and contrast, comparing either Raleigh or Greenville to one of their sister cities. So this week you will have gotten revision information, feedback from me on your rough draft, and you're to just simply take that information plus your own ideas about revision and apply them to your rough draft so that you can submit your final best document for this week. This week, I'd like for you to view the video, which is what you're doing right now. And you can review Chapter 12 or the Google slideshow on Chapter 12, comparison and contrast, as you need to. You'll have to go back a couple of tabs to get those again if you want to, but they're still on the middle page available for you. Also, review the Essay 2 document again. It's under the last 2 weeks tabs, but I also put it under this week's tab just so it'd be handy for you when you get ready to do that. And then once you have your document the way you want it, submit it on the Turnitin link for your final grade. Now, in case you have forgotten how to get your rough draft feedback, I put the little video on this week again for this one right here. Click this image to watch a short video explaining how to get feedback on Turnitin assignments. So in case you've forgotten what we did for the first essay, you can always go back and click on that and review that. That's really all I need to say about that for this week, is just revise and make your very best effort to make your document as good as it possibly can be so that I can grade it for a final grade. The other thing I want to remind you about, there's an announcement here on the Moodle page. Acquire the Other Wes Moore, the other book for our course. I told you at the beginning we wouldn't need that right away. Well, we need it next week. So if you'll go ahead and get that and begin reading the first 6 chapters. You don't absolutely have to have the first 6 chapters read for next week, but as much of it as you can get read will be good for you in addressing next week's assignment concerning our cause and effect essay, which will be on the other Wes Moore. So there are different ways you can get the other Wes Moore. We have some copies in the library, perhaps. You can check those out. You can also get it on Overdrive if you need a library card to do either one of those. They sell it here in our bookstore, and also if you are not near our campus and would like to get it online, Amazon has the paperback for $10.95 plus shipping and handling. I think it's $12.80 here in our bookstore. So they would be about the same price. And then you can get it in Kindle format on Amazon for just $2.99. In fact, that's what I have. But you need to get this book and start reading in it, because our cause and effect essay will be involving the other Wes Moore. So go ahead and do that. If you have any questions about revisions or anything for this final essay 2, then contact me and let me know, and I'll be glad to help you in any way that I can. And I'll see you next time.